Everybody. I'm Daryl Ledyard. Thank you for checking out this next episode of our demo of Relevant.Page. I want to make sure that first off that everybody can hear me okay. I think that we've got audio. It's hard to tell, but if you can hear me, go ahead and put in the comments that yes, you can hear us okay, and we'll move forward with the presentation for today. Now, what we're talking about is a new product that we're working on called Relevant.Page. The actual name of the product may change by the time we fully release it. However, this is what we're calling it right now because we have the domain Relevant.Page. And we want to sort of solve a problem with artificial intelligence that will help people to actually write content that is usable and won't be penalized by Google because of using AI to write content. There are so many tools out there, countless different AI tools, but what we're trying to do is something very, very different so that the information is not only helpful as the helpful update requires you to do, but also very, very specific to whatever you're trying to accomplish. So if you're ready to go ahead and put in the chat that yes, you are ready to see more about Relevant.Page, and we'll go ahead and get this off to you. But thank you for watching on YouTube and on Twitch and on Facebook. We appreciate you guys stopping by to take a look at what we have to offer today. All right. Let's see. So if you guys want to take a look, it's on Gumroad, and go to go.ht/relevant. I'll go ahead and throw this out again to you. It's go.ht/relevant. That's RELEVANT. And this is a very different tool as far as I'm concerned, because we are really gearing it toward people that actually write copy for websites. Not necessarily just the typical ADAs and all of the different argumentative things that just basically write pretty much the same stuff over and over and over again. This is something that is totally different. And this is what I want when I'm looking to write something. I want to make sure that it's very, very, very specific to what I'm looking to go for. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up um, the page here, and you can see what I had done was I just went to Yelp and I picked a company under landscaping, and I took the name of the company, Dick Property Maintenance. I put their phone number and their location, and then I put the services offered all inside a Relevant.Page. Okay, so here it is, the city. Here's the name of the company. And I put the main keyword, lawn maintenance, and then I put write one long block of text with facts, and then I put the phone number and the different services that they offer. All right. So now when I go ahead and hit generate, it will write just like you see here was another paragraph. Let's see what the next paragraph says. And it can just keep writing all kinds of stuff for you. This one says, find the right property maintenance services in Rochester, New York for your commercial needs. From garden installation to landscape design to lawn maintenance and irrigation, Nick Property Maintenance has the experience and expertise to get the job done right. We offer a wide range of services to meet your unique needs of your business, including garden maintenance, landscaping maintenance. This was done in a split second. Guys, this is amazing content that you could put anywhere on a brochure, on a poster, on a website, anywhere you can use this, okay? And you could go ahead and use it just by putting in what we're looking for here, the location, the brand, and then a few facts about it. All right. So this can be used for all kinds of different things. Even companies that aren't exactly out there. Here comes another one. Welcome to Nick Property Maintenance. We are a full service commercial and residential property maintenance company in Rochester, New York area. So the use cases are endless. Okay. This is just the very simple basics of what we're starting, just so you can see how well this tool writes. This is not using GPT-3. So if you've used GPT-3 before, this is totally separate. We built this separate from GPT-3, and we actually tested against that to see how we can always optimize it to make it better and better and better. Okay. So For those that are watching, go ahead and put in the comments if you really like what you're seeing here. I hope that you can actually see this and see, and you might have to go onto a desktop to actually see the content here. But you can see just by grabbing some facts from just here a Yelp review, and we can go ahead and put it into a relevant page thing. So now, if anybody has a topic, go ahead and put the niche in, and I will go ahead and do the same thing off Yelp. And I'll show you how I do it in real time, just so you guys can see just how quickly you can get information using Yelp as a tool to grab the information. Okay. So does anybody want to do roofer? Does anybody want to do what service do you want to do? Go ahead and put in the comments here on YouTube which service you want me to go after and show you a brand and show you how we can bring it together. Anybody have a particular niche that they'd love to see Relevant Page do its process on? Please go ahead and put it inside the comments here on YouTube. If you want to share this out to your social media, show people from the ground floor that you're checking out this AI called Relevant.Page, and tell other people around about it. You can get it on Gumroad. You have still 12 days to use it, unlimited. I'll go ahead and pull up the Gumroad page so that you can see. Let's see. Let's go to, well, I'll just go to Relevant.Page. And looking for what you guys think would be a good topic to go after. So if you go to Relevant.Page, it'll take a second to load in the Gumroad. But here is the Gumroad. Unlimited use till 9/23/22. An amazing AI writer for humans, not bots. And this AI writer writes better than I can. I flat out have to tell you, this thing writes better than I can. I've tried. But if you want to support it, go ahead and put in how much you think it's worth. We do have a survey inside of the program. Once you're inside, just hit the feedback here, and we'll go ahead and get you on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a roofer, because I know roofing is a big business. So I'm going to put in roofing. And we'll just put in Buffalo. Let's put in Cleveland, Ohio. All right, it's just totally different area. All right, we're just going to take a random roofing company here. Let's take these guys here. They got 10 years of business. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the brand, and I'm just going to start taking some notes here. So on a notepad, I'm writing a few things here. So I will go through and I'll see that they are in Apple Creek, Ohio. And what Relevant Page is going to do is actually look up that location and relevant information around it to make the best AI you've ever seen. Okay. Now I'm going to take these top services that they're offered, and I'm going to put them in here and put commas after each one. So we're just putting this into a Write document so that I can clear out any formatting. And let's see here. So we're doing that. We want to take like how many years experience. We want to take their phone number. So we're going to take their phone number here. And let's take that phone number. Let's take, I think I saw 10 years of experience. So these are good keywords. It looks like we've already got those. Established 2013. Let's grab that as a fact. We're just grabbing some different facts so we can. I'm just going to take this little trust and this. All right, so we just have a few different things. Let's see if there's any certifications or anything like that. Accepts credit cards. Let's check that. We'll put this in here as well. All right. So I will go ahead now and show you how easy this is to do this inside of Relevant Page. Okay. So we're just going to go ahead and reset. And I will have to go ahead and put in my my password again because I totally cleared it out instead of keeping it there. All right, and we're back into the system, and we're going to go in and take this roofing company. So first off, we're going to take the location, and you'll see when we do the location, you hit nearby, and it's going to go in and pick nearby locations. Even though you don't see them, they're actually there. They're used to be context for everything. Now we're going to take the brand and put it there, and we're going to then take all the facts and put them into here under the context and facts. Okay, that has all of the different services. It says when they're established. I just grabbed this off of Yelp. I grabbed a few of their words. Trust all of the different things that they pretty much stand by. Their credit cards, aluminum gutter siding. So now I'm just going to go back to that and just look for a main keyword, right? So what is the like first home exterior services? I'm just going to grab that. And I'm going to put that under relevant pages main keyword. All right. So here you go. We're going to go ahead and now we've loaded this whole thing and we're just going to have endless content, guys. Endless content. This is only giving you 2,000 characters because this is just for testing. But once this is put in, we'll be able to do a whole lot more content for you. So this is really, really cool. If you're interested, go to the link that's on the screen right now. It's go.ht/relevant and check it out. It says call Procon Exteriors for all your home exterior needs. We offer trust, honesty, integrity with every service. The next one says established in 2013, Procon Exteriors is your go-to for quality and service. We accept credit cards for your convenience. So these are basic. Let's go ahead and rinse and repeat. And let's see what else comes through. And I'm going to show you another little trick that we're going to do. Sometimes you'll get just an error there. You just run it again. All right. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you guys another way to get more information. So at the beginning, I'm just going to put in write one long block of text with facts. Try that out. And we're going to take a look and see who we've got. A couple pieces. Al Couch has said content looks better than mine. Topic is cheap plumbing services. I'm behind in the stream. This company doesn't have the exact location. An internet company. Thank you. For example, okay. Take a look at this. Here's the listing. Look at this. If this doesn't look like a human wrote this, I don't know what to tell you guys. Procon Exteriors. Phone number comes up. Established in 2013, Procon Exteriors is a home exterior services company located in Apple Creek, Ohio. At Procon Exteriors, we pride ourselves in trustworthiness, honesty, integrity, and quality of service. We offer a variety of services, including aluminum gutter installation, downspout repair, gutter cover installations, gutter, blah, 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 all of these services. We accept credit cards, and we're always there to answer any questions you may have. Contact us today to schedule a pre-appointment. Have you ever tried to do your citations and you want to have every single one be the most valuable it can be? And so what you do is you want to write them uniquely, or you're writing lots and lots of pages, your about us page, your services pages, your all of these things. And you want the content to read really, really good, but you don't want to duplicate it. Well, put it all in here, hit the load, and then you'll be able to get new content each time. What I do is I take each of these and then I put them into a notepad and I pick out the parts that I really like. It takes me a few seconds and I can edit it right down. Look at this one. Procon Exteriors is a perfect company for all your home exterior needs. We were established in 2013 and have since then built a reputation of trust, honesty, and integrity. We pride ourselves in providing our customers with the highest quality of service possible. We accept all major credit cards and offer a variety of services, including aluminum, blah, 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 all these services. And give us a call today. And then there's their phone number. See how we can help you. Period. Really, really simple. I'm going to get to you, L Couch, and get yours in here, and let's try it. All right. All right. See, there's just more and more and more. All right. So let's see. L Couch is asking for cheap plumbing services. So I'm going to just put that in here under the keyword. And if you guys have any suggestions, go ahead and put it in here. I am typing in cheap plumbing services. I'm going to put that in quotes. Uh, I think that the problem is with that one is it's a keyword, so I'm not sure if it's going to understand it. But let's try it. Okay, we'll stick to Apple Creek, and we're just going to keep that. There's let me grab this out. I think you had some keywords for us, so let's see. All right, let's see. So she has these here. See if I can get this. Faucets, faucets, fixtures, pipes, replace bathtub, uh, install shower, I'll just say. All right, so we just put those together with little commas after them. And let's just pretend it's the phone number, and we'll be able to do that. And somebody go to go.ht/relevant. Somebody asked where to go on Twitch. Go.ht/relevant. If you want to get your hands on this for the trial, it's 12-day trial, unlimited use. And then after that, you're going to be helping us sort of get started with where it goes from there. So we're going to be adding new features today, and tonight we're doing more. So you're going to see all of this stuff happen because we've been working on the back end. Now it's just making all of this stuff happen on the front end. So yeah, so 5 years experience. It's always that unique stuff on the back end of something that actually is a lot of the work, a lot of time it takes to get there. All right, so let's take a look and see if I put this in here under context. This is for L Couch. We're going to go ahead and generate this and see if Cheap Plumbing Services writes some decent content for you under Relevant.Page. Okay, looking for a cheap and reliable plumbing service in Apple Creek? Look no further than the experienced professionals at our shop. This is exactly what I thought would happen. Cheap Plumbing Services company name is Cheap Plumbing Services. I'm going to say Incorporated. Let's just do that, just so you can see the brand. All right, let's take a look. All right, looking at the best cheap plumbing services. Look no further than Cheap Plumbing Services Incorporated. We have over 5 years experience and can handle any job of your need. I put 5 years up here. Uh, no job too big or small. Give us a call at this number and get free estimates. We're always here to help. All right, real simple. Cheap Plumbing Services Incorporated is a local, so you would have to double check this, but as local family oriented business or own business with 5 years experience, we're dedicated to provide high quality plumbing services at affordable prices. So you got to get in here, play around with this and test it. But all you have to do is put in the location, the brand, your main keyword, and basically the facts, just the facts that you're looking at. And that is the basics of right now. We're starting with the very, very basics. Aaron, yes, definitely get a hold of me. Just go to Daryl.chat. That's DARYL.chat, and I'll take a look and see. I don't know why I haven't seen your name come through, Aaron. So we'll definitely have somebody check it out, and I'll be watching for that to come through. All right, somebody asked basketball training program. Okay. Let's see. So do you have a name for the basketball training program? you have a phone number or anything like that? Um, let's see here. And then I'm just going to put it in Los Angeles. This works all over the world, but we're just doing this now for Los Angeles. And what I'm going to do is just show you what happens, guys, if you don't put anything into the context. Impact sports. Okay. Let's try that in a minute. All right. If you don't put anything in context, it's going to write what typical AI writers will write, some basic information. So what we're going to do, it is in Austin, Texas. Okay. Let's go ahead and put that in there. Austin, Texas. And we will type in impact sports with a Z. All right. And is there any let's see, is there any other, let's see, can you give me a few facts or any keywords about that? Any Lonnie, can you give me any other facts? Aaron, go ahead and contact me today on there. I don't know if there was a problem with the platform. We're using a platform that's been giving us some trouble, so we might be changing the platform for the chat. Some of the chats have not come through, maybe. All right. Any other details? Austin, Texas. Learn to play basketball from experts. Let's just try that. All right. And we're going to run this through. We're going to see what happens here. Learn to play basketball from the experts at Impact Sports. Our basketball training program in Austin, Texas, the perfect place to improve your game. From beginner to pro, you can help take your game to the next level. Join our basketball training program today and get the results for yourself. That's the basics. And then we'll grab a little bit more information from Lonnie here. Improve your basketball skills with Impact Sports. Our experienced coaches are here to take your game to the next level. Get better at basketball with the Impact Sports top-notch training program can help you develop your skills you need to succeed. Take your basketball game to new heights. That's pretty good. With Impact Sports, our excellent coaching and training program will help you reach your full potential. Make a big impact on the court with Impact Sports. Our top-of-the-line basketball program can help you to take your game to new levels. Program helps players make their middle school and high school teams. Okay. Learn to play basketball. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, Lonnie says, I need this. I love that, my friend. Yeah, this is amazing, isn't it? It's insanity, the quality. I'm just so proud to be showing this to you guys. It's really, really cool. He says the program helps their middle school and high school teams. Okay. So let's go back to that. Help your middle school or high school team perform better. All right, let's try that. See what happens here. Now we just added a little bit more facts, a little more context. See what happens if this gets more aligned with what you're looking for, Lonnie. All right. Get better at basketball with Impact Sports in Austin, Texas. Our experts can help you and your team improve your skills and performance on the court. If you're looking to take your basketball team to the next level, Impact Sports in Austin, Texas is a place for you. Our experienced trainers can help you and your team learn and grow and reach your full potential. Dude, this is crazy. Looking for a competitive edge? Impact Sports in Austin, Texas offers a comprehensive basketball training program that can help you and your team take your game to the next level, learn from the best, and get real results. Doesn't matter what topic, it doesn't matter where it is. If you want to change this to Rome, Italy, and generate. See if it mentions Rome. Get nearby locations. Well, you have to run it a few times to kind of see if it would change it, but it's just incredible, right? Incredible. We're looking at a lot of different things that we can do with it as well, but we want to start with the very core. This is the thing is this is a totally different formula for creating content. It's using two different systems plus a few layers of proprietary technology to make this happen. So it is definitely something that is definitely worth putting your hands on. Now, look, this is what you're getting with this go.ht/relevant is just a 12-day unlimited access so you can play around with it and give us feedback on it. We're looking for feedback and how we can improve this to make the best AI writer ever made for copywriters of websites and SEO and mass pages and people that are doing metadata, or I'm sorry, meta descriptions and blog, I'm sorry, directory descriptions and all that kind of stuff. So we want it to be able to do that. And then what we want to be able to do is just feed it with a town, city, location, or landmark and have it spit out content that can go on any page and make it way, way more powerful with your GBPs, with your link relevancies, and all that kind of stuff. So if you're ready to make a real splash, you want to really play around with something at the ground level. I mean, this is below ground level. You're getting involved in this. Go to go.ht/relevant, play around with it. And you've got now 12 days. If you wait till tomorrow, you'll have 11 days. We have a hard and fast end, so you have to get in early. So, okay. L Couch says, so it is good to prompt with certain statements like write long block of text with facts. Are there a list of prompts? No, there aren't. You're literally talking to a friend and saying, hey, can you do this? We tried to do listicle. It didn't do it, but we could always program it to do that kind of thing later, right? So these are things that are just in the sample, the 2,000 characters. So there's only so much that you can do in this sample. But I've already been on the back end, and we can write whole pages in just seconds, like a whole complete page of information that can come out of this. Sometimes when you run this, you will get like a bigger chunk. It just depends. If you write, I'm just going to put write a long block of text and put it in front of Lonnie's request here. And then maybe we won't get these little bite-sized pieces, okay? Lonnie, I love it. Lonnie says, this is nuts. I paid for writing that wasn't as good as this. Where do I sign up? Can this work? Affiliate programs? You can use it to generate content on anything, I would imagine, as far as that's concerned. Look at this content. Want to help your team perform better on the court? Learn from the experts at Impact Sports Basketball Training Program in Rome, Italy. Our program is designed to help middle and high school teams improve their skills and gameplay. Because we changed it to Rome, Italy. Pretty crazy, guys. Pretty crazy. We don't have an affiliate program for this. And one of the things I would like to do with this, once I get the formula the way I want it, is I want to be able to offer it as an API so that people can build software off of it and do that. A lot of the things that we're building is for an API. If you go to Rapid API, you can see Siphon AI is on there. We built our own spin text system, and we're building a lot of raw materials because of the things we're playing the long game. A lot of the things that we're building over the last few months, since I've been kind of quiet, we're building all that stuff to build other things in the future. So That's why these things are kind of really cutting edge, because we've taken the time to really focus on that stuff. All right, on the trial basis, but we heard we can get more. Yes, I wasn't going to tell anybody about that here, but yeah, if you're inside, you'll know what I'm talking about. But you have until the 23rd, and there is a feedback button, but you'll find out a little bit more about that. All right. Anybody else have any questions or want me to try to do anything in your niche? Is there anything that you would like to see? I want to also show something else that I was messing around with. All right. Now, instead of just location being what you think, now let's just go and clear this all out. All right. I wanted to show you something that I was messing around with before the call here today. And there's more than you can do than just like a city and state. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is do one for a coffee shop called Daryl's Cafe. All right. And I'm going to put I'm going to put some details in here. For example, 50-cent teas at 4 p.m. I'm going to do free refills every day on coffee flavors. Open late with live music on weekends. I'll say weeknights. Open late with live music on weekends. All right. So we basically grabbed just a little bit of information about this specific place. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in Albany, New York. And I'm going to put in, I don't even need New York because that's just going to confuse it as New York City. Albany, New York, Capital District, which is the nickname for the area. And I put down Wolf Road, right? That's like an area, a street in there. All right. And so we put the facts in, we put a road. You can put Capital District or whatever the nickname is of your town, whatever it is. Go ahead and generate. All we're doing is we're loading it up with what the stuff needs. And then this is what you got. Looking for a great place to get coffee in Albany? Look no further than Daryl's Cafe. Our coffee is always fresh and our prices are unbeatable. Plus, we offer free refills on all coffee flavors every day. And if you're looking for a great place to unwind after a long day, we're open late weeknights and offer live music on the weekends. So come by and see us today. All right. And so that, if you're looking for, this is doing the 50-cent teas, a lot of the same stuff. If you're looking for something to be a real writing assistant that doesn't just write blase general stuff, this is what Google is looking for. They want it to look as though it's helpful to the user, right? It's telling people the facts. What are the facts of that particular place? And so this is why this is so valuable, is that you do put in just a few facts, but it figures out where to put those facts in the copy. So if I had a phone number, like right here, if I put in my phone number, I'm just going to put in 800-555-1212. Now, if I hit generate, it's going to incorporate that and know to call that as a phone number. Now it has welcome to Daryl's Cafe on Wolf Road in Albany, New York, the best coffee in the Capital District. Guys, this is just incredible how this is knowing what to do, right? It's able to decipher all of your different variables and facts and put it all together. So yeah. While we're looking, let me see, Aaron, if I got that message here, and I'll go ahead and tag it to make sure we get back to you. All right, guys. I do see you, Aaron. I just flagged it, so I will go ahead and reach out to you after this, and I'll make sure that I get back to you personally on that. All right. So Anybody have any questions for me? Anybody have anything that they're excited about with this? Um, Spread the word, tell people about it. There's a limited amount of time to get access to this. Go.ht/relevant. We're using Gumroad as a place to show this off to people. Gumroad is for like digital content creators. And so we're doing something a little bit different with it by doing a digital product launch. And this is not a full launch. This is just to kind of show it off and to find out what you think the product is worth to you, and if you would use it, and does it stand out on its own, that kind of thing. So this isn't some sort of thing that we're looking to get rich on. We're just wanted to show you, give you a chance to actually vote for it by paying a little bit of money to try it out, because it does cost us money to operate this. There's GPUs and hosting and cloud hosting and all this kind of stuff, and the work that it took to build this. So we have to like sort of protect it and not overdo it. When we say unlimited, obviously that's within reason. Like 1 billion generations would not be okay. We'd probably block that. But if you're doing this, playing around with it, testing it out, this is really, really good to mess around with, and it can save you a whole lot of stress and time writing this content yourself. It really, really is. So if you go to the website, go.ht/relevant or Relevant.Page, Relevant.Page will also get you there. You can get access to this on Gumroad, and we'll go ahead and have you do a survey, and yeah, so definitely check it out. I think I'm going to close this off for today, but thank you guys so much for coming by, and El Couch and Aaron and Lonnie. Thank you guys for all your inputs and comments. Anybody that's watching this on the replay, go ahead and put a comment. If you love this, or if you want more information, go ahead and reach out to me at Daryl.chat, and I would be happy to talk with you and answer any questions that you have for this new product, this new AI copywriting technology. All right. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. We'll catch you next time right here. Bye-bye.